Hey, how's it going? And welcome to another video out of the Ingram micro video series. The purpose of this video is to educate our partners and customers of the new technology that we endorse as distributors. And today I have with me in the Ingram micro office, Mr. Ghassan Hassan from Flex. Ghassan Hassan is one of our top partners for DocuSign in the region. And we want to speak about DocuSign, the technology, how it's impacted you as a business. And we want to learn a little more about him.
Thank you, Atharva, for this introduction. DocuSign is one of the best products in the world when you talk about e-signature solutions.
Yeah.
It's really made a revolution in the world that changing the manual process to automated process. All right, and this is really impact on the industries, customers, more than our company.
Right.
All right. So with this e-signature, it start changing and impact or support the initiatives of the world environment for paperless, making things with paperless and reduce the processes by using the manual signatures.
So we're basically, e-signatures are the first step to digital transformation in a company. We are not only changing manual processes, but you're obviously changing the entire company's culture when you're replacing a typical paper trail and moving on to an e-signature platform. But how do you think it benefits your customers? What are the sort of customers that could really benefit out of this solution or service?
Actually, the e-signature as a concept, it's really meet all the industries, different customers. From government, from banking, from real estate, who has a daily process of having signatures,
right,
especially on the sea levels, that most of the sea levels are traveling.
Yeah.
So today, to reach, to send them the document for sign off, it will take maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or waiting someone to come back, and difficult to find all these signatories in the place in one time.
Right.
So having e-signature or DocuSign, it will reduce all these times or time periods to make it, instead of 1 week, 2 days, it will make 1 hour. So every person in different places who has a smartphone, he has a laptop, tablet, he can sign from around the world.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
How secure is this technology really? I mean, we know it's GDPR compliant. We've got customers in Europe, which are banks and other government entities, who are endorsing this solution. But what's your take on the security aspect of DocuSign?
Actually, each country has different regulations for having e-signature in place.
Yeah.
So when I talk about the Middle East and Africa, today, each country has different regulation, and each industry has different regulations as per the country regulation. For example, for banks, they cannot sharing any information outside the country.
Yeah.
So we have DocuSign. They have 2 different platforms. All right, can be on cloud, can be on-prem.
Oh, okay.
So for as per the regulation, we can implement the solution at organization.
Yeah.
So customers, they want to go for cloud, we have the solution, and it has the total process. So in cloud, we provide you the total process from initiate the document till you get it a sign off. On-prem, we can implement it in the customer side. We can integrate with different kind of ERP, CRM, 365, Microsoft 365, and so on.
Right.
And the good thing about DocuSign that it protects your investment or customer investments today.
Right. Especially with integrations.
Exactly.
Right. Okay.
So today, whoever invested on the ERP or any infrastructure, all right, we can integrate with that. So this is the really added value from DocuSign.
Fair enough. But what is the sort of support you receive from DocuSign? What are your technical capacities when you look at implementing the service to on your customer's premise?
Actually, as a Flex Tech Solutions, we have a certified engineer on ground. And we can provide support as per the SLA. Also, the support from DocuSign is very strong, and we receive it on time basis, or we get it on time. Yeah. This is very important, because today the most criteria or factors that customers select a solution, all right, they need a support on ground, right, that we can meet their expectation. And with our certified engineer, we have more than 3 engineers that certified on DocuSign, and all of them up to date with all the DocuSign products and services.
So I mean, so it won't be very ambitious of me to say that you're one of the top companies in the Middle East that can really support customers on all the needs on e-signature solutions at this point. Also, just an interesting fact, DocuSign happens to be the only e-signature solution that is compliant and authorized by federal courts in the Middle East. So it obviously is our loved and preferred solution in that way as well.
Of course, this is very important. And we receive a lot of customers' concerns about the security of the signatures,
right?
And if anyone can have it. So the DocuSign capability and for features that will help to encrypt the signature and give a unique code for each signature. So today, the customer, when he sign and send the document, the signature will be encrypted and the document will be encrypted.
Okay.
And it will be saved in very safe place, all right, that already certified globally from the authorities and so on.
Right.
Yeah,
okay.
and this is a really add value also from DocuSign.
Great. I think that's a pretty good learning session we all had today.
Yeah.
I'd really like to thank Ghassan for joining us in the Ingram office, and we'll be posting more videos on more technology, so stay tuned onto our channel. Thank you.
Thank you very much.